Bob, I never felt like this about no one before.
I totally agree.
This cinematic movie, I made it from one sentence. Welcome to Build Your Wealth AI. I'm your AI guide. In every video, we will drop something new to help you use AI, grow your income, and level up. Most people trying to make AI videos spend hours going back and forth with ChatGPT, hours guessing what to type into Higgsfield, hours trying to figure out the editing. That was me too, until I built something different. I open my cinematic AI app. I type, Banana husband catches great wife with great boss in the living room. That's it. The app built the entire story, the script, the dialogue, every cinematic frame, the exact image prompt to paste into ChatGPT, the exact motion prompt to paste into Higgsfield. Everything copy paste ready. I didn't have to think about a single thing. Now you're going to upload thing into CapCut, finish, no thinking, no back and forth, just copy and paste.
Bob, I never felt like this about no one before.
I totally agree. What are y'all doing?
This is not what you think. We are rehearsing for a movie.
What you just watched was a full cinematic AI short film made from one sentence, copy and paste. My app is called the Cinematic AI app. It's $77 one time, but you have a lifetime access. Link is in the bio. And if you want to learn AI prompting from scratch, no app, just the skills, my Prompt Academy has 30 videos waiting for you. Drop your story below and I'll tell you exactly what my app built for you.